fifth graders. My name is Mrs. Anderson, and I will be your fifth grade teacher this year, whether that's in person or virtually. Typically, today would be our open house, but instead, we're going to be taking a virtual open house. So I thought it would be fun to take you on a tour of our classroom to check it out. So let's get going. When you arrive at school, whether that's on the bus or you get dropped off, you're going to enter through the 4th and 5th grade doors. So you'll enter through these doors that you've probably went through before, especially being a 4th grader last year. But you'll enter through these doors when the second bell rings. Once you're inside, there are multiple classrooms. So I'm going to show you where our classroom is. So you'll see our welcome door is right here, and right above it says Anderson. So this is our classroom. Once you enter our classroom, to the right is the coat room. This is where we will store your backpacks, coats, jackets, and things like that. So you'll see that everyone has a spot, which we will go over once I see you in person, whether that's this week or maybe even in the future. Okay, so let's explore the rest of our classroom. So here I have a game cabinet that we would typically use for indoor recess. Over here is our classroom library. So we have lots of different choices, and we'll go over our library expectations once I see you in person, but lots of different choices to check out. Then we have the classroom desks. The arrangement might look slightly different when you arrive, but these will be your desks that you sit at. Up front is where all of the learning is going to take place. We have a magnet chart that we use for being responsible, respectful students. Then we have my desk. We have our back table that we'll do a lot of work at. This classroom door is more just for decoration. On the other side of it is Miss Angst, for any of you that have had her as a sub before. And then we have an area over here that's just kind of different things, some copies that I keep, and then we use this for center work. Up here are the different jobs that you'll have, like line leader, caboose, teacher's assistant, all kinds of different ones. We have a fun chalkboard wall in our classroom. I'm also a Michigan State fan, if you haven't figured that out yet, so go green. And then I'll show you the angle from this direction. So this is our classroom. So whether you're going to be starting in person tomorrow or maybe in the future, either way, this is what our room looks like and what you can look forward to. Something else to look forward to as a fifth grader is that you'll have multiple teachers. So not only will you have me as a teacher, but you'll also have Mrs. Vernier and Mr. Meyer. So I thought it'd be fun to go and meet them.
Hello, I'm Mr. Meyer, and I will be teaching you social studies for you this year. So I look forward to you seeing me, and hopefully at some point seeing you, to learn all about geography and history and civics, and oh my gosh, there's just so much. Current events, you'll have an absolute blast. So I look forward for you seeing me and connecting with you.
Hi fifth graders, I'm Mrs. Vernier and I will be your fifth grade teacher this year. I will be teaching reading and writing. I'm looking forward to teaching you whether virtually or in the classroom, and looking forward to a great year.
Whether you're starting the school year face-to-face or virtually, I can't mask how excited I am to welcome you back.